Welcome back to Law Talk Moments, a legal program designed to help make the complex simple and to promote the practice of law, which I unapologetically consider to be a noble profession. My name is Attorney Rob Caprera, and I'm humbled to be your host again for this program. Today, I would like to begin a series near and dear to my heart. It involves helping clients and their families dealing with a myriad of problems related to dementia, specifically Alzheimer's disease. My maternal grandmother spent 11 and a half years in a nursing home before she died, and my mother lived in my home 8.5 years with Alzheimer's before she died in 2009. I'm fully aware of the personal and legal difficulties that come with this end-of-life condition, and I guess I'm comforted for DNA reasons that many people tell me that I take after my dad. Nonetheless, as the medical community has done a continually better job of keeping our bodies in good shape, the inevitable sadness is that many of us in our latter years will suffer compromised minds. Crudely but realistically spoken, many people will sign off mentally before they kick off physically. For estate planning purposes, this really can't be ignored. I can't tell you how many times I've been contacted by clients asking me to pull together estate documents like wills or healthcare proxy or power of attorney for their sick parent, only to learn that the parent has slipped past the point of competency and is now unable to sign such a document. The law provides the remedies of setting up a guardianship or a conservatorship for such a needy person, but this is expensive and time-consuming and cumbersome and unnecessary if you plan ahead. The better solution is simply to get ahead of the curl of the wave and do some estate planning and document signing while the person is still competent. So in this series, I want to sound the alarm and really get your attention to this very crucial and important matter so you'll do the work of intentional estate planning when you are still able. Fundamental to your understanding of this topic is the legal concept of what I said is competency. This will be our starting point in our first session next week. Thereafter, we'll take a look at some documents and planning strategies that can be implemented to address this life challenge, like powers of attorney, healthcare proxies, living wills. Finally, I'll be privileged to offer some practical thoughts and encouragements for families encountering this situation in their families. You are not alone on this journey, and there are many others like myself that you can lean on. So from a personal point of view, I look forward to starting this series. I invite you and your family and friends to join us here at Law Talk Moments as we attempt to make this oftentimes complex matter simple for you. As always, if you have any questions regarding what we've discussed, please contact me through my website, www.capreralaw.com, and I'll be very glad to discuss your situation and lend whatever help I can. It truly is a privilege and pleasure for me to be able to speak to you about these matters. Our laws are for our benefit, not our detriment. But if the laws are not understood, they really can't help us at all. So let me continue to try to make the complex simple for you. Please consider subscribing to this channel to be notified when new episodes are uploaded. If you would like your legal questions considered for future presentations, please submit them to www.capreralaw.com. As always, thank you for listening and take care.